Hey, what's up everyone? It's 105 Cartoons. I've seen a lot of great animations that were lacking one essential component. They didn't have any sound effects. However good your animation is, adding sound to it makes it better. If you haven't been able to find free sound effects, I now have them on my SoundCloud account. 105 Cartoons is soundcloud.com. And I have a couple dozen. I'm going to upload more. They're free to download, 100% free, 100% legal because they've all been recorded or synthesized by myself. Here are some of the good ones that I recorded.